Hi everyone! Happy 4th of July everyone!
Hi guys.
I just want to say thank everyone that served and is serving to have our country the way it is. I am so proud to be American, and God bless the USA from the Stebbins family to yours. And have a blessed day guys. Bye! Here's Kimberly. She just woke up from a nap, huh Mama?
Say hi to everybody.
Say hi! Let's get started, guys, on the fireworks. Woohoo! Ready to have some fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, here we go. Let's get started. There's Dad. People across the street from us. See how it's so bright here with these lights? Like that, baby? Yeah. Oh, what happened? Oh, that was loud. Look at Kimberly. Isn't that beautiful, Mommy? We do it all for her because she loves fireworks. Right, Mommy?
Big girl.
She waited all day long.
You waited all day long?
Woo! There she goes, and there's Daddy. Good job, Mama.
That's pretty good, Mama. You like that one? Really?
Did you like that one? Yeah? A lot? Look at Kimberly. I like that one, Mama. You like that one?
Oh, yeah, I like when it does that. When it has little pops, yeah? Look at my little angel.
Oops. Oh, hey, sorry guys.
There you go. Woo!
Dada. I love you, honey.
You want to hold one? Here. Here, buddy. You got it? Good girl.
Wow. What was that, monkey?
Okay, this one. Trophy. That was nice, huh?
Boom. Ugh. You like that one, Mommy? Was that one, Mommy? Yeah? Oh, it went to the other side. It went from this side to the other side. Oh boy, have mercy. You like that one? Yeah. This is the one that Kimberly's been waiting for. What is it called again, babe?
Raging zombies.
Raising zombies. Something like that.
Raging zombies.
Oh, raging zombies.
Like that.
Let's see what's the fuss about.
Like zombies should be coming out of there, right?
I know. What happened to the zombies? They're not coming out. I know. I'm just messing with you, Mommy. I know they're not real, Chichita Mama. Hi, Chula.
It's the same one too.
Yes. This is the last one. Woo. Hope you all are having a good time. Because we're having a great time. Want to share this video, our good time with you guys. Hope you like this video and give us a thumbs up, of course. May you all have a blessed, blessed night. God bless you guys. And God bless the USA and all our military. Thank you all for your service and for the ones that are gone as well. How was that?
Oh, that was a nice one.
Yeah.